Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So today, I'm going to share with you how I made this adorable Easter wreath. This was really simple. Basically, I'm recycling a wreath that I had already. And I just removed everything that was on it and just kept the greenery. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some Easter colors. I wanted to keep it a little bit simple, at least simple for me. This might be a lot for some people, but this is simple for me. I just wanted to add a little bit of carrots and some Easter colors. And also I'm going to recycle an Easter sign that I had. Now this Easter sign that I'm going to use isn't from Dollar Tree, but you can use the ones from Dollar Tree as well. So all I'm doing is just making a simple bow, and I'm just using some orange ribbon that I had. This isn't wired ribbon, but you can still use any kind of ribbon that you have. Just make sure it's a little bit thicker, especially if you're going to use it on a wreath. As some of you might know that have followed me for a while, you know Easter is one of my favorite holidays. So I do decorate a lot for Easter, just like if I would decorate for Christmas. So stay tuned for a lot of more DIYs that I'm going to be making for Easter decor this year. Again, I'm trying to keep it a little bit simple, but I am going to keep it more of the traditional colors this year. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this tutorial along with the other tutorials that I'm going to make also. Now this ribbon that I'm going to use as the accent color ribbon is from Dollar Tree. So just go through all of them. This one right here that I'm going to use is actually a fall ribbon that was there, but I bought it just specifically for this because I liked the orange in it. So I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller than the orange ribbon because this is the one that I want to be in the center of my bow. So just go ahead and attach all the ribbons in a circle and just hot glue them. This is one of the easiest bows that you can make, and I think it looks really cute. So just go ahead and glue all of them together like this. So once you're done with gluing all your ribbons into circles and they're all completely dry, which usually doesn't take long at all, they instantly dry most of the time, you're going to go ahead and start assembling your bow. So I'm just trying to put the section that I glued in the center so you won't see it. And then I'm going to do the same for the orange. Now just go ahead and pinch it together. And then you're going to pinch the other one together also. And you're going to put them one on top of the other, if that makes sense. Not stack. You're going to stack them basically, not pile them on top of each other, if that makes sense. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And you're just going to go ahead and pinch and just add that one right on top of the other one, like that. And then you're going to go ahead and grab whatever other color ribbons that you're using, and you can make this bow as big as you want, as many different color of ribbons as you want. Just make sure that each one of the ribbons is a little bit smaller than the other one that's going to be on the bottom of it, because that way you can see all of them. So just go ahead and start doing the same thing. You're going to pinch the center, and then you're just going to put it right on top. Pinch the center, and you're going to put it right beside the other one. Pinch the center, and you're going to put it right on the bottom of the other one. And there you have it. Now I did make one extra one, but just go ahead and set that one aside and I'll use it for another DIY. Now, to make it easier, I'm just going to use a zip tie to tie this together. Now, I was already going to put it together, but I forgot that I needed the tails for my bows. So you're going to see that I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the orange ribbon, and I'm just going to cut a section of that ribbon to put it into my bow also. And I just used the orange one, but you can use both of your ribbons if you want. It's up to you. So just go ahead and put it in the back of your bow and try to make it as even as possible. It doesn't have to be exact. Now you can get your zip tie and tie this all together. Now, once you're done, go ahead and cut the ends of your string, your bow, just to give it that finished look. Just go ahead and fold it in half. And then you're just going to cut it to, I call it the penguin cut. So just go ahead and cut it to 2 points. And then you're going to set your bow aside and you're going to go ahead and grab whatever wreath you're going to use. And then I just grabbed the sign. Like I said, I'm using a recycled sign also. I'm just going to grab some wiring and I'm going to go ahead and tie the sign onto my wreath with the wiring. I wanted to use the least amount of hot glue, especially for wreaths like this that I know I'm going to want to recycle for different holidays. I try not to use glue, as much glue as I would normally, just because I know I want to remove things and use it again, so I don't want to mess it up. But you can just hot glue the sign onto your wreath if you want to use it just for one holiday. So I kind of just weaved it throughout the wreath, and then I'm just going to twist it a few times to make sure it's secure. Then I'm going to, with the extra wiring, I'm just going to make a loop, tie that together, and that's how I'm going to hang my wreath up. Just like that. Now go ahead and flip that over. Adjust your sign to make sure that it's where you want it to be, because that's the way it's going to hang. Then all I did was add some cute, adorable carrots that I also got from Dollar Tree. You can use Easter eggs, an Easter bunny, whatever you like. I just wanted, again, to keep it a little bit simple and just add these cute, adorable carrots. I just glued those two together and then I grabbed some wiring and wired the carrots onto my wreath as well. But I did glue the two carrots together just to make sure they stayed the way I wanted them to. And then just tie it with the wiring onto your wreath. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab your bow and you're going to put it wherever you like. I'm just going to put it right in the center. Then I grabbed some ribbon, just a small little orange ribbon that I had extra ribbon. And I'm going to go ahead and tie that bow onto my wreath. You can also add an adorable little wooden rabbit or an Easter egg right in the center of your bow. Also, that would look really cute too. Once you're done, just go ahead and flip it over, fluff everything up until you like it, and then hang it on your wall or on your door. And there you have it, an adorable, what I call simple Easter wreath. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, stay blessed.